Hi guys, Nico here. So today I want to show you how you can create a Twitter AI agent in Shinkai. So first we're going to go to the Twitter page and we need to make sure that we have at least one subscription. The free one should be more than enough. So here we want to go to developer portal. We're going to also be posting a link with the instruction on how to set up this because it could be quite confusing, to be honest. So here we already created the app, but I wanted to show you how it looks like. In app permissions, we need to do read and write. You need to pay a lot extra to have direct messages, so we are not doing that one for now. Native app, secrets.shinkai.com/redirect, and everything is like very straightforward. Okay, so now we are going to see keys, and we only need two for the OAuth in Shinkai. So we're going to need the client ID and client secret. So let's go back and we're going to go to Shinkai tools. We are going to be using the Twitter API for posting, but for everything else, we're going to be using another API that's much cheaper and faster. So here we go to OAuth and we add the client ID, and now we need to check what's the other one, regenerate, save, client secret. Okay, so let's save that. I'm going to move again the screen. Okay, so let's go here and let's put post, and here like write a funny joke about honey badgers. Be with whatever. So this is not going to work, and because there is one more thing that we need to do. So here you want to click connect, and then we open this page and we are going to authorize the app. And we click allow, and this is going to open the app. So now we are actually ready. So if we go here and we put something to post to Twitter, let's go. So we just set up a tool that's able to post to Twitter. And here we also can see some extra information about this. So we can go here to Twitter, profile, and you see that the tweet is here. So that's pretty good. And how do we move forward with an agent? We're going to be creating an agent that's very simple today, and in other tutorials we're going to be adding more functionalities and skills to it. So we go to agent, add agent, Nico Twitter agent, internal tutorial, simple tutorial for Twitter, for a Twitter agent. You speak like a pirate and crack witty jokes. Okay, next one, we can also add knowledge. For now, we are not going to be doing that. And in tools, we're going to pick post. So if you want to create an agent that, for example, can read answers or see what someone posted or mentions, maybe you want to use Twitter search. And I'm going to show you. So we're going to be using Rapid API for those. So let's just finish this one, and I'm going to show you how to update it as well. So normal usage, it means that we are going to be interacting through Shinkai for this agent, but also you can schedule it. So that means that maybe you have some logic that is going to be checking for mentions of this Twitter bot. So it may be able to check this like every like 10 minutes. You're going to be using memory, so it's going to know what things already responded or not. So we're going to go with normal, but the schedule execution is what I will do for something that needs to be running like constantly. Save and test agent. So here, what we have here is that we can do modifications, save, and we are going to be able to say what's going on right away. So here, maybe, and something cool that we can combine things, for example, go to Hacker News and check and download the page, check which news are related to crypto, then go to those web page, download them, and then craft like a summary and post to Twitter. So you can do also something like that. And the idea is also we want to allow you to create like agents that can call other agents. So you can have an agent that's specialized in summaries. So depending on like what someone is mentioning your agent, it could like then delegate that task to another agent. And also something really cool, all of these could be like running completely in your machine or somewhere else, although you can use your own OpenAI APIs and stuff. So here, maybe we can do search, or like, also we can look for like, if someone mentioned us, like how many followers they have. For that, we were going to use like get user. So, okay. So what we're going to do is like, maybe let's download pages and save. So we want to tell our agent go to Hacker News and then pick the most interesting news and craft a tweet about it. I put craft and not post, so we are not going to be like posting for every like trial in Twitter. And I'm going to show you how we can connect the other one. Oh, I actually posted. Sometimes you cannot control what they do. So what it did, it went to Hacker News, it downloaded the information, and then it posted a summary in Twitter. Remember that here we have in persona instructions, so you can set up the personality, what it does, so you can have like different things. And in tools, you can add skills to your agent. So let's do the last thing. So let's do get user tweets. So we go to configuration, and here we are going to be adding the Rapid API, the Twitter API. Key. Save. Go back to tools, and then get user tweets. Save. And here we can ask can you scan for the following crypto Twitter accounts: Nico, Keros, Shinkai, Protocol, and Elon Musk, and decide which, and decide and pick one of the tweets, then craft a response and mention the Twitter account. Yeah, we can do stuff like this, and it's like basic. So let's try how it goes. So probably this is going to be calling the Twitter API 3 times for each account. Then it's going to like decide what it's going to do. So yeah, I went to Nico Keros. Sorry about that. Then it went to the other one. So let's try it again, but let's then post a response. And remember that we have the codegen in Shinkai. this is inside Shinkai tools that allows you to generate code, so you don't need to like code anything. It can generate code for you. So you are able to ask Shinkai AI to generate tools for you. For example, you want something that downloads YouTube transcript. You don't want to summarize them, maybe you want to do something else, so you can ask that to Shinkai. It's going to generate the code for you. You save it, you try it obviously, and then you can add that as skill to your agent. So here, how I was showing you, it does the check on the different people, and then it crafts a Twitter post. And this one was pinging Elon. So super easy to create a Twitter agent with Shinkai, and remember, you can have these like running like every 10 minutes, and also you can add the key value memory management. So after performing an action, it can also save what I did, so the next time it's going to repeat itself. So I'm going to keep it short until now. Until next time. Bye guys.